Hey there, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a super cute kawaii dinosaur that's full of charm and personality. It's the perfect drawing for dino lovers and anyone who enjoys adorable art. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our kawaii drawing tutorials. And here's a fun question for you. If dinosaurs still existed, what would you name your pet dino? Let us know in the comments. We can't wait to read your creative answers. Alright, grab your drawing tools and let's get started. Work, artists, your kawaii dinosaur turned out dynamite. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos for more fun and easy kawaii art. We've got tons of cute characters waiting for you. Keep practicing, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.